What if I told you that Bitcoin hitting $100,000 was inevitable? Picture this, you wake up, check the news, and Bitcoin has just smashed through the $100,000 barrier. This isn't speculation anymore, it's reality. On December 4th, 2024, Bitcoin hit an all-time high of approximately $108,282. Investors are celebrating, the headlines are buzzing, and analysts everywhere are scrambling to explain how we got here. But this surge wasn't an accident. Beneath the surface, political shifts and groundbreaking regulatory changes have quietly paved the way for Bitcoin's leap beyond six figures. Welcome back to Cryptic Tech, your #1 channel for breaking down blockchain, cryptocurrency, and all the emerging tech shaping our financial future. Today, we're unpacking the real forces driving Bitcoin's climb past $100,000 and why this might just be the beginning. If you're hodling Bitcoin or just crypto curious, this is the video you don't want to miss. Let's dive in. Bitcoin's evolution. From fringe asset to global powerhouse. The whispers of Bitcoin breaking past six figures aren't just coming from crypto fanatics, but from Wall Street analysts, global economists, and even political leaders. Now, those whispers have become reality. With each passing day, the stars are aligning. Political shifts, regulatory clarity, and institutional adoption are driving Bitcoin to heights we've only imagined. Before we jump into the present, let's rewind for a moment. Bitcoin wasn't always the powerhouse it is today. Let's move back to 2009. Bitcoin was nothing more than an experimental digital asset created by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto. For years, it was seen as a niche project embraced by tech enthusiasts and libertarians. Bitcoin's first major milestone came in 2017 when it surged to nearly $20,000, capturing global headlines. That bull run introduced Bitcoin to mainstream audiences, but the real explosion came in 2021, when Bitcoin reached an all-time high of $69,000. Fast forward to today, and Bitcoin has firmly cemented itself as the leading cryptocurrency, boasting a market cap exceeding $1.5 trillion during peak cycles. It's gone from being worth mere cents to trading for tens of thousands of dollars. As of December 2024, Bitcoin has crossed the $100,000 threshold, cementing its status as a global financial powerhouse. Political shifts favoring Bitcoin. Governments worldwide are grappling with unprecedented economic challenges. Inflation is at historic highs, national debts are swelling, and citizens are losing confidence in traditional financial systems. In politically unstable regions like Argentina, Venezuela, and Turkey, citizens are turning to Bitcoin to escape plummeting national currencies. Bitcoin offers a decentralized, borderless store of value that governments can't easily manipulate. But this isn't just happening in developing economies. In the United States, Bitcoin is becoming a political flashpoint. As the 2024 elections approach, pro-crypto candidates are rising in prominence. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis and Miami Mayor Francis Suarez are vocal Bitcoin advocates, even pushing for state employees to receive salaries in Bitcoin. It's no longer a fringe idea, it's mainstream political discourse. Regulatory clarity, a game changer for Bitcoin. 2024 has already proven to be a landmark year for regulatory clarity. In the United States, the Securities and Exchange Commission finally approved spot Bitcoin ETFs, opening the floodgates for institutional investment. This decision played a significant role in Bitcoin's climb past $100,000. In Europe, the markets in crypto assets MiCA regulation rolled out earlier this year, providing standardized rules across EU member states. MiCA's goal? To protect investors while fostering innovation, effectively creating a safer environment for institutional crypto investment. Countries like Japan and Singapore have embraced similar progressive regulatory frameworks, paving the way for seamless Bitcoin adoption. This global regulatory shift has been instrumental in driving Bitcoin's price surge. Institutional adoption. The sleeping giant awakens. Here's the tipping point. Institutional adoption. For years, Bitcoin's price was primarily driven by retail investors. That dynamic has shifted. Giants like BlackRock, Fidelity, and Grayscale are not just dipping their toes, they're diving headfirst into Bitcoin. In 2023, BlackRock filed for a Bitcoin ETF, signaling a seismic shift in sentiment. That ETF was approved in 2024, contributing to Bitcoin's price surge. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink describe Bitcoin as the digital equivalent of gold and a transformative force in the financial world. The moment pension funds, insurance companies, and sovereign wealth funds allocate even a small percentage of their portfolios to Bitcoin, the demand vastly outstrips supply. That's exactly what happened in 2024, pushing Bitcoin past the $100,000 mark. With only 21 million Bitcoins ever to exist, scarcity is inevitably driving prices higher. Bitcoin halving, the supply shock factor, beyond politics and institutions, Bitcoin's halving cycle plays a critical role in price surges. Every 4 years, the reward for mining new Bitcoin blocks is cut in half. The 2024 halving was no exception. After this halving, Bitcoin's price skyrocketed, surpassing $100,000 by December. Historically, halving events trigger massive bull runs. After the 2020 halving, Bitcoin's price jumped from around $8,000 to over $60,000 within 12 months. This time, the 2024 halving helped fuel Bitcoin's leap to $108,282, and experts believe the bull run isn't over yet. The road to $100,000 and beyond. So, where do we go from here? Analysts from JP Morgan Bloomberg and ARK Invest forecasted Bitcoin breaching $100,000 by 2025. Now that prediction has come true, and it's happening sooner than many anticipated. The stage is set for Bitcoin's next historic leap. Political shifts, inflation fears, regulatory clarity, and institutional inflows have converged to fuel Bitcoin's journey past $100,000. Now, over to you. Do you believe Bitcoin is destined to become the world's next global reserve asset? Share your predictions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest insights. Thanks for watching Cryptic Tech, and I'll catch you in the next one.